Justin Bragg out of Glasgow with his Dodge. Hammer down. Let's give him a hand right there. We'll see how this two-wheel drive dually truck does. He's gonna roll the smoke in the front. He'll turn his windshield wipers on and knock the smoke away. Hammer down. This is to be 282 feet. David Pettigo out of Glasgow, Kentucky with his GMC. Let the smoke roll. Tennessee, Chase Eller. Another Dodge. Trying to get in the full 4 area. David went for the green flag. Once again, David Duggan out of Campbellsville, Kentucky. For the night, I believe we can do it. Truck's running good. Got to get his favorite radio station going. Get a rhythm going. Light his cigar. Let the smoke roll. Just $9. Come on around. Come on in.
Oh, God. What the hell is he doing?
I think I can. There you go. Hammer down. Mr. Eller didn't come all this way from Tennessee to get beat.
Hell no, we didn't.
So what about you Dodge fans? What do you think?
Woo!
There we go. Here we go. Chase Eller out of Tennessee.